Good morning students. Unit 2 Commerce Financial Markets 1 Introduction to Financial Market Chapter 4. Today we are going to discuss Introduction to Financial Market. So what is financial market? Simply the financial market means exchange the financial securities. So financial securities means shares, government bonds, etc. So financial market means where the securities exchange the place is called financial market. Before going to the details, let us have the understanding of Indian financial system. So the Indian financial system can be broadly classified into two categories. One, organized sector, and another one is unorganized sector. Indian financial system, organized sector, and another one is unorganized sector. Organized sector consists regulators, financial institutions, financial markets, financial services. Next one, unorganized sector consists money leaders and indigenous backers. For example, pawnbroker and Marwadis. So let's going to see the next meaning and definition of financial market. A market wherein the financial instrument such as financial claims and assets and securities are traded is known as financial market. Organized sector. What is organized sector? Organized sector means they are following rules and regulations and they are full control by the government. Unorganized sector means they are not following the rules and regulation, not under the control of the government. So that is called the unorganized sector. Let us see the definition of financial market. According to Brigham Eugene F., the place where people and organizations wanting to borrow money are brought together with those having surplus fund is called financial market. That means those who have surplus fund, they are in that place. So those who are borrow money, both people accumulated together, that is called financial market. Next we are going to discuss scope of Indian financial market. That means the financial market provides the financial assistance to individual agriculture sector. So individual sectors, service sectors, financial institutions like banks, insurance sectors, provident funds and the government as a whole. So with the help of financial market, all the above stated individuals, institutions and the government can get the required funds in time. So through the financial market, the institution get the short term as well as the long term financial assistance. It leads the overall economic development. That means in financial market only, not only for provided for all. In economic growth, financial market is very important. Next we are going to discuss types of financial market. So types of financial markets can be classified into different ways. So there are as follows. First one, on the basis of type of financial claim. So we have two categories, debt market and equity market. Debt market means government bond and corporate bonds are issued in this market. That is called debt market. So debt market is the financial market of trading in debt instrument, government bonds or securities. Next, equity market. What is equity market? Equity market means equity shares of the company issued in the equity market. That means equity share market is the financial market for the trading in equity share of companies. Next, on the basis of maturity of financial claim. So financial claim, we have two categories. One, money market and capital market. What is money market? Money market means it is a short term money market. Why is called short term money market? Because within the 1 year of securities sold here. So that means money market. So money market is the market for short term financial claim. Example, treasury bills, commercial paper, certificates of deposit. Next, capital market. What is capital market? Means long term market. It is the long term financial claim more than the year. For example, shares and debentures. Next, we are going to see on the basis of time of issue financial claim. So financial claim, first one primary market and second one secondary market. What is primary market? That means sale of securities at the first time. newly securities or shares are issued in the primary market. So that is called primary market. So primary market is a term used to include all the institutions that are involved in the sale of securities for the first time by the issuers. Here the money or the investors go directly to the issuers. Next is secondary market. What is secondary market? Secondary market means already issued, second time issued. So secondary market is the market for securities that already issued. Stock exchange is an important institution in the secondary market. Next, on the basis of timing delivery of financial claim, first one cash or spot market and second one forward or future market. What is cash and spot market? That means payment of cash occurs immediately. We bought the securities, we have to pay the cash immediately. That means cash and spot market is a market where the delivery of the financial instrument and payment of cash occurs immediately. That is, settlement is completed immediately. Next, forward or future market. That means we sell the securities, then we can collect the money in the future period. That is called future market. So future market is a market where the delivery of asset and payment of cash takes place at a predetermined time frame in future. Next, on the basis of organizational structure of the financial market. So we first one exchange traded market and the second one over the counter market. What is exchange traded market? That means all full and full or procedure followed in this market. So exchange traded market is a centralized organization with the standardized procedures. Next one over the counter market. That means they are not followed any procedure in the over counter market. Is a over the counter market is a decentralization market with the customized procedures. Next we going to see role of financial market. One of the important requisites for the accelerated development of an economy is the existence of a dynamic and a resilient financial market. So a financial market is one of a great use for a country as helps the economy in the following manner. Saving mobilization. First one, saving mobilization. That means those who have more funds or surplus funds, financial market obtain from them. So say mobilization means move to one place to another place. So saving mobilization, obtaining funds from the savers or surplus units such as household individuals, business firms, public sector units, government is an important role played by the financial market. Next, investment. What is investment? Investment means main nature work is collected the funds and arranging the funds those who need. So that means investment. So financial market plays a key role in the arranging the investment of funds thus collected in those units which are in need of the same. Next, national growth. What is national growth? Financial market contribute to a nation's growth by ensuring an unfettered flow. Unfettered means flow means heavy flow of surplus funds to deficient units. Flow of funds for productive purposes is also made possible. So it leads to overall economic growth. So economic growth is increase for only reason financial market. Next, entrepreneurship growth. That means business whenever need funds, that fund are available in the financial market. So financial markets contribute to the development of the entrepreneurship class by making available the necessary financial resources. Then next, last one, industrial development. So industrial development means the different components of financial market help an accelerated growth of industrial and economic development of a country and thus contributing to raising the standard of living and society well-being. I hope you all understand the role of financial market. Next we are going to see difference between new issue market and secondary market. So basis for comparison, new issue market and secondary market. What is new issue market? Already I told you that new issue market means new shares are issued. Secondary market means already shares are issued in this place. So let's see the meaning. The marketplace for new shares is called the primary market. Secondary market means the place where formally issued securities are traded is known as secondary market. Next, buying. Under this new issue market is directly buying. Secondary market is indirect. Next, financing. It supplies the funds to budding the enterprises and also to existing companies for the expansion and diversification. It does not provide funding to companies, only government. So next, how can securities be sold? Only once time, the multiple times. Next, buying and selling between company and investors. Under this security market, only investors. Next, gained person. Gained person under the new issue market, company, secondary market, investors. Intermediary under this new issue market is underwriters or intermediaries, and secondary market brokers. So price, the price will be time fixed price only. In secondary market fluctuates, depends on the demand and the supply force. What is fluctuates? Fluctuates means changing the price. Next, last one, organizational difference, not total to any specific spot or geographical location. It has a physical existence. That means secondary market has physical existence. I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you.